Hi everyone. In this video, I will discuss with you how to rationalize the denominator. Rationalization is a process of removing or eliminating the irrational number or radicals in the denominator. Why do you need to rationalize the denominator? It is in order to get the calculation easier and obtain a rational number as a result. To better explain the process, I will show you 3 different examples. First is 2 over the square root of 5. Remember that your objective is to eliminate the square root. What you have to do to rationalize this is simply multiply it by the square root of 5 over the square root of 5. It is basically multiplying 2 over the square root of 5 by 1. Recall that any number multiplied by 1 is simply the number itself. Now let's multiply 2 over the square root of 5 and the square root of 5 over the square root of 5. You just have to follow the same process of multiplying fractions. For the numerator, multiply 2 in the square root of 5. And for the denominator, multiply the square root of 5 in the square root of 5. The result is 2 square root of 5 over the square of the square root of 5. Simplify, the answer is 2 square root 5 over 5. Second example is 5 over 2 plus the square root of 3. To rationalize this, you have to get the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate is where you change the sign in the middle of 2 terms. Thus, you have to multiply this to 2 minus the square root of 3, over 2 minus the square root of 3. Where 2 minus the square root of 3 is the conjugate of 2 plus the square root of 3. Then simplify, the answer is 5 minus 5 square root of 3. Now third example, in terms of structure, is the same with the second example, but here the operation of the denominator is minus. To rationalize this, you have to multiply 4 over 2 minus the square root of 2 by 2 plus the square root of 2 over 2 plus the square root of 2. Where 2 plus the square root of 2 is the conjugate of 2 minus the square root of 2. Multiply then simplify. The answer is 4 plus 2 square root of 2.